This is rental car number 76, and today we're driving the 2018 Toyota Camry SE. No full review today. Instead, we're just going to play around with the Camry's new adaptive cruise control. So adaptive cruise control is just like traditional cruise control, except the car has the ability to match the speed of the vehicle in front of you. So that means you don't have to constantly adjust the speed of the vehicle if there's a little bit of traffic. Instead, the car is going to do that for you automatically. So here's the Camry steering wheel. Cruise controls are located on the right-hand side, and you get two extra buttons, adaptive cruise control and lane departure alerts. We're just going to talk about adaptive cruise control. When you hit that button, you get a window that pops up on the center display of the gauge cluster, and it gives you an option to set the distance you want to be from the car in front of you. If that doesn't make a lot of sense to you, well, then let me show you what it looks like in action. Alright, so the truck in front of me is going below 70 miles per hour. And if you look down, you'll see that although cruise is set at 70, you can see that in the upper right-hand corner of the center display, we're actually going less than 70. And that's because the adaptive cruise control is reaching out and seeing that that truck is in front of us, and it's automatically slowing the car down to match that truck's speed. Now the fun thing is that you can play around with the distance that the car is going to keep from the cars in front of you. So by pressing this button here, we're going to reduce the distance. Do you see the indicators in the center display? How the lights are going down from 3 down to 1 blue bar? Now if you look up, you'll see that we're much closer to that truck. I'm going to increase that distance again. So now we're at 3 bars, and the car should slow down even more to allow that truck to get a safer distance away. If you'll notice, that truck has slowed down considerably because now we're going under 60 miles an hour. But we still got cruise at 70, and it's matching that speed. Oh, and look, it's that blue van that's slowing us down. So the car's going to speed up until we get within a safe distance, and then it's going to maintain the speed of that van until we tell it otherwise. So we passed that van, and now we're cruising along with a car that's going more than 70 miles an hour. So now the Camry has automatically adapted and has accelerated the car back up to 70 miles an hour. So now we're going the speed, the maximum speed that the cruise control is set. Now, let me see if I can do this one more time. So we're going to change lanes, and we're going to go back over here, and I believe this car is going under 70. So let's watch and see if the car reacts. And it does. If you look at the speedometer, we're now going under 70 miles an hour. We have it set at 3 bars, so it's keeping us a safe distance away from the cars in front of us. So obviously the car's not driving itself. This is not autonomous driving, but it is pretty fun to play with. I do a lot of highway driving, so whenever I have a car with adaptive cruise control, I get pretty excited because it does make the trip just that much easier. Anyway, just wanted to share. Hopefully I'll have a full review of the Camry up in a few days. Thanks again for watching. Catch you next time.
Thank you for watching.